In the previous video, we implemented the example to transform a number with 3 decimal places to 2 decimal places. We included this parameter in the pipe to implement this transformation. In this video, I will explain how this works. I'm going to explain this using the documentation available in angular.io. In angular.io, I am searching with DecimalPipe. We can see a document named DecimalPipe under the API section. I am clicking on this link. In the new page, as page heading, we can see DecimalPipe, which represents the class name of the pipe. Adjacent to the class name, we can see that this class is categorized as a pipe. In the exported from section, we can see that this pipe belongs to common module. After the description, we can see the entire syntax for DecimalPipe. We can see that it is included within interpolation. The value underscore expression is the input value for the pipe. Here we included the component property amount in the HTML template. The value underscore expression is followed by pipe character and then the name of the pipe as number, which we have included as it is in our example. After number, we can see 2 optional parameters, digitsInfo and locale prefixed with colon. Square brackets are used to represent optional parameters. This means that the parameter is optional and we include it only if we prefer to use them. In the example implemented in the previous video, we used digitsInfo parameter. Using the subtopic link available in the right hand side, I am directly going to go to the digitsInfo section to know more about this parameter. We can see the format in which the value of digitsInfo parameter should be provided. It has 3 sections. The first and the second section is separated by dot. The second and third section is separated by hyphen. The first section is to represent the minimum number of digits to be shown in the integer part of the number. In our example, we included 1 here to represent that minimum 1 digit needs to be displayed in the integer part. The second section represents the minimum number of digits for the fractional part. We included 2 to represent that minimum 2 digits should be displayed in the fractional part. The third section represents the maximum number of digits for the fractional part. Here we included 2 to represent the maximum number of digits for the fractional part. This configuration of a digitsInfo parameter helps to always display 2 digits irrespective of how many ever digits are present in the number. You can try playing around with the values for digitsInfo parameter and see how it works. I am making some changes now in the parameter values. Once the page reloads, we can see the number displayed in a different format. Hope this explanation helps to understand how to apply digitsInfo parameter for DecimalPipe. I also hope that you understood the importance of finding the relevant document in angular.io, reading through the document and applying it in our code. This will help us to explore and understand new topics in Angular. In the next video, we will see how to apply second parameter locale in the DecimalPipe.